Hi, I'm Valerie. I am out of the Las Vegas hub. This is my 5th semester with Nightingale, and I graduate in December. I am married. I have 3 kids, ages 5, 18, and 26. I've always wanted to be a nurse. I took care of somebody about 20 years ago. She had a partial foot amputation, and it was due to diabetes complications. I cared for her wound, and I pretty much just stayed by her side throughout her healing process. She herself was a nurse, and she told me that she thought I would make a great nurse. So, of course, that always stuck with me. Initially, I went into ultrasound. I was an cardiac ultrasound tech for about 5 years. And then I went into accounting, and now I'm back into healthcare. Something unique about me is I have a 5-year-old son and I have a 4-year-old grandson. Good luck, everyone.